Hey there everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to automatically translate web pages in Google Chrome. So let's get started. It's a very easy process to do. What you need to do is to go to a web browser, and this is my Google Chrome web browser. And now you have to search, and now as you can see, this web page is on English language. So you want to change it as your mother tongue. How you can do that? It's very simple. Just go to the three dots on the top right side corner, tap on that and go to the settings. And from here you will see a language option. From here you can see the to option to never offer to translate these languages. You need to add the language from here. All right. And also, first of all, you need to add this, like I will add the French language. As you can see, this is the French language, add it. And now from here you will also see an option called translate into these language. So from here you need to select the French language as well. As you can see, this is the French language, tap on that. And now you need to go to that web browser or web page, then right click on your mouse, and as you can see, translate to French language. So if you tap on that, and it will be right here to French language. So that's how you can easily translate web pages. So it's very simple and very easy thing to do. So that's how. So thank you so much guys for watching. Have a great day.